All these honey buns fit and that's what she got, man.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting up like last week. Tell me where have you been?
What up, Trail Gang, the real gang squad? What's up, gang?
What's up, SlayedMafia?
Alright, and today we're here because we're about to get ready to hook up some fried honey buns for y'all. And Destin is going to show us what we need to make fried honey buns. But before we get started, we need y'all to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. All of our information is going to be in the description below. And we ready to get this thing on the road?
Let's get started.
Let's get started now. So what's the first thing that you have to make sure that you have? Of course, the main ingredient of the whole doggone video. You need your honey buns. You can all go to Walmart and get you some honey buns. And they come in a pack and you can get them that way. Or you can go to your local grocery store and get them for 50 cents. Which is what Destin did. Destin the one that got all these honey buns for 50 cents. And that's what she got, man.
So first, we're gonna start off.
What else do you need?
Having the mix.
The mix? And what kind of mix is that? Like flour mix?
Pancake mix.
Pancake mix. You put your hand in the grease here?
No.
Really, nigga?
Once you get 1 cup of pancake mix, and then you get you 3/4 cups of milk.
Milk.
Ooh.
You just pour that thing in.
Don't hurt yourself, granddad. You need 1 egg.
No, I love eggs. Good for you.
Crack it like it.
That's how you do it.
Make sure the shell don't fall in.
We got the egg in there. We got the milk and the pancake mix. Alright.
Alright. Then you need a little bit
olive oil.
of olive oil. Or whatever, vegetable oil, whatever. Just a little bit. Maybe a little bit more.
Alright, now we don't want the dough too slippery.
Ooh.
Alright.
Should I add a little bit of sugar and make it sweet? Don't spill it, man.
The honey bun got enough sweetness on it now.
Alright. Well, yeah.
So, Papa Joe about to get down. And, woo, man, I'm just ready for this to get done because I want me a fried honey bun.
You want to mix it for me?
Sure.
What the fuck was that?
Never mind, you'll be all day. Just start unwrapping the honey bun paper. Honey bun wrapper.
I know this is going to be good. I believe everybody in this world has to like honey buns. If you don't like honey buns, something wrong with you. Now, I like my honey buns warmed up in the microwave and I'm going to eat it regular. Ooh, that look good. That looks good.
The mix look like it's almost done, or maybe it is done.
What is that over there?
What? But quit playing. Granddaddy trying to eat regular mix by himself. Nasty. This ain't cake mix. I think I want to add a little bit of sugar.
Yeah, what's in here? Boiling hot water?
No, that's the oil boiling. Getting fried up. You think it's done, Granddad?
Yeah, that looks about done to me.
All right.
Hold on. Yeah, that's done now.
Oh, okay.
That's done.
Okay.
Throw away as you go. Throw away as you go.
Dipped all the way in there. Oh wait, there you go, right there. See, my mama always told me the way you know that the grease is ready, you sprinkle a little water in it, and if it start popping, that means it's done. Put it down some. Yeah. Gonna dip it. We gonna flip it all up in there. Hold on, let me dip. Get some water, sprinkle it in there. Now. Ain't ready yet. Let's turn it up some.
You had it on simmer. We would have been here the next year.
Well, go ahead and dip one more honey bun in here.
That's a baby.
The baby one. Oh! Come on, granddaddy. Alrighty. Don't flick your nasty. All of that.
Look now. Push me like that again if you want.
What's gonna happen, Granddaddy?
My foot in your.
100 year, nigga. Diamonds froze, chill, nigga. I went platinum independent, then I signed my deal, nigga. Young nigga, 17, all he do is kill, nigga. And I'm drinking on that mud like a oil spill, nigga. Gucci jacket, oh yeah. Saint Laurent, oh yeah. Bust down, cost 100, nigga, that's a trophy. Ballin' like I'm Kobe.
Moving kind of slow, Granddaddy.
I got this.
It smells so good.
That ain't even the pot.
Woo!
And you know it's doing something when that honey bun gets a tool.
Granddaddy ugly.
Woo! Starting to fry. We're gonna need something to flip it with. Get the spatula. Let me grab this spatula. Woo! Oh, they cooking. They ain't ready yet to be flipped. Getting there. I'm Granddaddy. Flipping. When they get about ready on the ball.
Can't get enough of your love, babe.
Oh.
Well, now look now.
Granddaddy don't know what he's doing over here.
Yeah, Granddaddy won't even flip.
Look, rubbing all against the side.
Okay.
Flimsy old spatula.
Look here now. Back in '62, we used to flip it with our hands. So I can get down.
Okay,
I can
now.
get down.
Boy, if you don't
Try it.
I ain't gonna do that now. My skin all rags.
No.
You catch me back in my good old 20s and 30s, I'll be done flipped that thing. Right, this is a.
Yeah. Here, Granddaddy.
I got it.
You spoon it out there.
There we go. Ooh, it's coming along. It's just coming along. Now, when you get that brown, nice looking crisp right there on the edge, around there, you know you got something cooked. Feel like Chef Boyardee. Can't tell me no. And if you press it down and you don't hear no sizzling no more, it's about done and it's ready to come on now. So let's get this thing on up. Destiny, you got a plate for me? Oh.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Granddaddy know what he doing.
I told you I used to get down. You know that place over there, right off of Jefferson. Can't think of it right now, but I used to throw down over there back in the day.
Why you always lying?
Can't. There we go. Oh. All right, with that one a little burn, but they know what they say, black of the berry sweet juice.
Oh. Dang.
I know.
You know what? If you want to get it on a good color.
Come on. Granddad.
Oh, Lord. Call me, man.
I was taking off something, my brother.
Come on, dude.
Man, that is hot. Don't keep it like that.
Okay, man.
Granddaddy.
Man.
Yeah.
So, we just got done cooking it, whipping it, and flipping it. Now we about to show y'all the outcome of fried honey buns.
How they look.
And if you want us to whip you up some, we only charge $5.
Really, nigga?
$5. Free delivery? No, not free delivery.
Well, now it's time to taste them.
There you go. Now,
Kind of scared.
toast. Feel like I'm about to get it straight, like hard to taste. You can see you're gonna see the glaze in the middle of the honey bun. It actually just tastes like a donut. It tastes like a donut. It tastes like a regular donut with extra bread and that's about all. So, if you guys like this video and you want to see more like that, leave comments in the comment section. Subscribe to both of our channels. Destiny's channel is going to be in the description below. And without further ado, we thank y'all for tuning in. We love you guys. Stay trilled, you zig me. You know?
Be blessed.
Woo. Same time.
Like right now, and I came up from nothing, just imagine that. Now I got my own, just imagine that. Try to take it from me, I ain't got it back. I lost it.